Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Robin the creator, Robin here. Also too, I'm not rubbing my hair, I just kind of want to show you guys my cute bracelets. But anyway, so I'm here down in Midtown. I'm at the Vine restaurant. I'm having a very light breakfast this morning, a little bit of iced cappuccino as you can see here, and a delicious yogurt parfait. I'm pretty certain that they use like Greek yogurt because this yogurt is thick as I don't know what, and I'm really like struggling through eating it, even though it tastes good with the fresh berries, strawberries, and blackberries. But it's definitely a struggle eating this yogurt. But anyway, but it's good for you, Greek yogurt. But anyway, so I'm down in Midtown. I have an exchange that I have to do, but I got down here like way too early. The store isn't open yet, so I'm basically just like biding my time sitting in the Vine restaurant. After I make my exchange, I'm gonna probably pop into H&M because I haven't been to H&M in a while, and H&M has like an amazing home decor section. It's kind of like a mixture of like West Elm and CB2 at very, I would say, like affordable price points. So I'm gonna hop in there because I need some new rugs for my bathroom. My bathroom rugs, my current bathroom rugs are really just like dust and lint magnets, and I just can't take it anymore. Like I wash them and it's like they come out of the washing machine with extra dust and lint. I'm like, where did this come from? I clean my apartment and vacuuming all the time, and I'm like, what is this? So I'm going to take you guys along with me as I walk around today, running my little errands, doing a little bit of shopping. What are they talking about? There's a window right behind me so I can see these two in the background. Seems pretty intense. He has his hands on his hips. Okay, somebody said something that was inappropriate, I bet. But anyway, let me stop making up stuff. But I'm not gonna have one. If you're in New York City, you definitely want to try one of these. It's a New York City staple. Okay, he is negotiating. Gotta go. He wanted it for $2. They actually should be. I think the large is the $2 one and the small is $1.50. But prices may have gone up. Who knows? Okay, he's still arguing over the icy. Oh, that poor man. He really wanted that icy for $2. So I don't know why I decided to wear jeans today. It's very hot in New York City. At least I'm a little cool from the waist up. Like this is my classic walk around New York City uniform, a simple white shirt and some kind of bottom. Today I chose jeans, don't ask me why. But I also have on my comfy rubber shoes. These are the perfect shoes to walk around these New York City sidewalks. New York City streets are rough and I do not want my feet getting crusty, rusty, and bumpy. So I decided for a comfy rubber shoe. My sister hates them, but I love them. They're very cute. Let me go with my outfit. I was going for like white and a little bit of off-white, so here you go. Anyway, so you're gonna see this kind of like uniform in a couple of videos. Just get used to it, pair with my gold jewelry, like get into it because I'm into it and you should be too. Look at me influencing, whatever. Anyway.
I need you, I need you, I need you.
Look at that beautiful pop of bright orange and pink. So yes. This is the type of rug that I want, but it's way too big.
You want me, you want me. I need you, I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me.
Time to head back uptown. I am literally hot. I want a shower ASAP. My train's coming. I'm finally home now, so I think I'm going to end today's portion of the vlog here. Hello, I am back. It is Wednesday, June 9th, and I am out and about. It is an absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, lovely day. All those adjectives. It's about a smooth 90 degrees, so the sun and the heat are definitely beaming down on me. But I don't mind because I just came out to soak up some sun and get a quick workout in. I'm going to dinner later with my old coworker, Nathan. Nathan's really cool. I worked with Nathan for several years when I was at my old company. So we are meeting up for dinner, catching up. So anyway, I'm gonna take you along with me. Come keep me company, even though technically you're not here, but like I mean, just, you know, you see where I'm going with this. You're coming with me on this journey. Again, if you're getting lisp or any kind of unrecognizable word action, it's because I have my Invisalign in, and it's definitely a struggle to get certain words out. Like the Invisalign, the way it fits on your teeth, like it's perfectly fitting over your teeth, but my lips are like struggling, going over, trying to, yeah, whatever. So anyway, so if you get any lisp or unrecognizable words, just like fill in the blanks.
How can we say? How can we say?
I had such a great time catching up with Nathan tonight. Definitely good vibes. And it was fun because this was our first time going to Cantina Rooftop, and I must say the food was absolutely delicious. The spicy Brussels sprouts, the guacamole and chips, the truffle fries, oh my gosh, so good. The frozen margaritas in various flavors. FYI, it's definitely a younger crowd and a party atmosphere. They had a DJ at 6:30 p.m. when we arrived, and he was blasting what I call contemporary techno music, so just be prepared. But it's definitely a good place to check out and have some delicious food. So if you go there, let me know, leave a comment. I'm in a cab now heading up the West Side Highway. It is time for beauty treatments and going to bed. I had such a lovely night. I could literally do this every day. Hello, it is Saturday and I'm about to head downtown to go to a tailor to go get my bridesmaid's dress fitted. I have a wedding towards the end of this month for my friend, and I am a bridesmaid, so I have to go get the dress adjusted. So I'm about to head to this tailor so they can check the dress out and see if they can make any adjustments. I will list the company below because I definitely can't remember their name at the moment. I literally randomly found them on Yelp. So I'm hoping that they can do what they say they can do. And they have a 5-star rating across the board. It's about 100 reviews. So if you're in New York City, you need somebody to alter your clothes, then you can check these people out as well. Also too, please ignore the mess in the background. I know it's like an Amazon package. Clothes on my sofa. I already started pulling out my stuff for me to start packing, as I'm one of those people who loves to pack early, get it done in advance. So it's looking a little crazy in my living room right now, so just try to ignore it. All right, so let's go. I'm here already. That was literally like a 2-minute walk. As you notice, I changed my earrings because I'm like, you never know when you need to do a little switcheroo. And my dangly earrings, my dangly hoops, were not going to work with all this like taking shirt off and changing clothes. So I always bring like a spare pair of earrings, like just in case. That's just like my thing that I do all the time. So these are like the perfect little earrings just to pop on really quickly while I'm trying on the dress. And it looks like I'm here already, so let me go in. I'm a little early. I'm like 10 minutes early, so let's go check this out, and hopefully it'll be quick and easy for them to do these alterations. Good morning, it is Sunday and I'm up bright and early to water my plants, and I just happened to peep out my living room window, and to my surprise there was a mourning dove sitting on my windowsill. I love the sound that the mourning dove makes. It's so soothing and it reminds me of being home during the summer months. But the only time that sound isn't cute is when they land on my windowsill at 6 in the morning making that noise. But anyway, I think I'm going to end my vlog here. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you love the content, and I will see you guys next Monday. Bye!